Peace. Oh boy. How long have you been drifting for?
3-4 years.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's about 4 years.
Oh, so how's this event?
Pretty good.
Yeah, what's
Like, it's a lot of competing.
Yeah, what's the key to drifting?
What's the key to drift?
Yeah, to being good.
Yeah, try to, stay on the track. Make sure you're not out of the track. Be perfect.
Very cool. Did you help build the car yourself?
Yes.
Wow. Here we go. You're just trying to stay in between the pylons?
Yeah.
Ah.
That's why I'm saying, like, stay on one more time.
Oh, cool.